Good morning, children. Our homework was to create two data frames df1 and df2 and perform mathematical operations on that. So let us create two data frames. First we create two dictionaries d1 and d2. Before that, import pandas as pd, then create two dictionaries d1 and d2. So first we create a dictionary d1, and inside d1 creating a marks in different subjects. So let it be marks in two subjects. Physics comma and single quotes chemistry square brackets and another dictionary d2 containing same key. Physics let d1 and d2 be the marks of 5 students in term 1 and term 2 in physics and chemistry. So we are applying the arithmetic operations on. First create a data frame df1 is equal to pd dot data frame in bracket d1, then df2 is equal to pd dot data frame in bracket d2. Just print df1 print df2. So these are the two data frames. So let us perform arithmetic operations on these data frames. So print addition then print df1 dot add in bracket df2. So got the total, that is df1 and df2. The total marks of both the columns are added. Now then here change subtraction multiplication division. Now here sub, then here mul, here div. So these are the functions to perform arithmetic operations on data frame. To perform the addition, add function, to perform subtraction, sub, to perform multiplication, mul, and to perform division, div. So you can see all the arithmetic operations are performed on these two data frames. Dear children, next program is create a data frame for examination result and display row labels, column labels, data types of each column and the dimensions. So first we import pandas library, import pandas as PD, then created a list name equal to A, B, C, D, E, just the name of the student. Then we have created a dictionary D1 containing the marks in different subjects. So after that we are creating a data frame df. So here data is d1 comma index, that is the row index I am giving as the index equal to the column names as the names, index I am giving as the student names. So it is in the list name. Then so we can see our data frame, print df. So this is our data frame. A, B, C, D, E are the names of the student and their marks in different subjects: physics, chemistry, English, IP. So physics, chemistry, English, IP are the column names and row names are A, B, C, D, E. Now in our question we have to display row labels. So print in single quotes row labels, then print in bracket df dot index. Then we have to display column labels. Print, we have a function to display the column labels df dot not O is not there, columns, columns. Then print we have to display the data type of each column. So there is a function data type, single column data type print bracket df dot d types s is also there. Then print, we have to display the next thing is dimension. Dimensions, print df dot ndim. It is the function to find the dimension. So let us see the output. So first one is our data frame, then row labels, they are A, B, C, D, E. Then column labels, they are physics, chemistry, English, IP. Then our data type, that is physics int 64, chemistry also int 64, English also int 64, IP int 64. Then dimension, it is two dimensional, that is it contains only rows and columns, so it is two dimensional. Two axes are there, so two dimensional. Okay, thank you children.